This is how to fix LG IMS services has stopped working error. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your settings, and here just scroll down and then click to open the apps management, then app settings, and here you can access your all apps. So here at the very top right corner you can see the three dots in the vertical position. You have to just simply click on these three dots and then click on the reset app preference, and then again click on reset apps. Right after that you have to just search here for messages. Simply click on the messages and here just click on the storage and cache. Click on clear cache first and then click on clear storage and then OK. After that you have to just move one step back, and here in the search bar you have to just simply search for your LG IMS services. Click on IMS services, and here in the app info you have to just click on the full stop in the bottom right, and now click on the storage and cache. First click on the clear cache and then click on the clear storage. Right after that you have to just restart your system or device one time, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.